friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making avocado crema. This is a creamy avocado sauce. You can use it with meat, chicken, or fish, or you can use it as a dip. It's so easy to make and so delicious. Here are the ingredients you need for avocado crema: avocado, sour cream, lime, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And you also need a blender to blend it all together. So I'm going to start by cutting this avocado into half and taking out the pit. And now scoop the avocado into the blender. And to make blending easier, I'm also just going to cut it into pieces and put it in a blender. And next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. And let's add it to the blender. And next I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 lime. So you can either squeeze it by hand, or I also have this tool, it makes it easier. And once I'm done squeezing the lime, I'm going to add the rest of the seasonings. So here's 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And here are all the ingredients, and let's now blend them together. So check to see if everything is blended. And if not, you can just do it until it's all blended. Yeah, it is all blended here. So let's take it out of the blender. But look how creamy. Perfect. Perfect. Look at this creamy avocado sauce. It looks amazing. And if you want to make a larger quantity, just feel free to double, triple, or quadruple the ingredients. This is so easy to make. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love creamy avocado sauce. I'm just going to try it as a dip with chips. And again, you can use it as a sauce with chicken, fish, or meat. That's so delicious. Let's try it. Amazing. It tastes so good. It's so addictive. You can just eat the whole bowl in one sitting. This is great with chips. People love it. It's a perfect, easy appetizer. No cooking needed. All you need is a blender. So easy, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!